I don't know if it was recording or not. But if not, the ones I got here, these were popped up. I kept putting good ones in the hole that had termites. So that little hole will cover up eventually. But I didn't want to put the poison in just yet. But I got the containers. Here's what the containers look like. It's got the wood thing on there. This is wood, and then it's got some kind of additional bait trap, bait. That way you can identify that there's termites in. But I think I said earlier that to take the lid off, I just use a screwdriver or a pick or whatever. But I got one ordered. That's how easy it is to put those in. Alright, today we're going to be replacing these Spectricide termite doohickeys. I don't know what it's called. Termite traps. They got some poison in them or something. But I've got a bunch of them that I need real ones. So on Amazon I got these guys. These things are heavier than they look. I got 10 of them. I don't have the tool to open it up, but I don't need to open it up because I've already stuck the ones that I need put up with poison in it. But you just get a screwdriver and open this up if you have to. I got a tool ordered. Well, there goes the fire truck. Alright, this one just needs a bait. So, I'll stick it up over here someplace. I don't know. That looks like a good spot. I'll put it up over here. So, what I got is a 3-inch auger bit just for a drill. I've already done the other ones, but I messed up on the video. So let's just show you how to drill this. Alright. What's that? Alright, so I got the poison in the bag. That's all you gotta do is do that. That should do it just fine. But yeah, that's super easy to put those in. Plus, the reason that you want to use these instead of digging a trench is if we find out that there are some problems with that poison, you can take them out. Let's go ahead and I can pull this one up. These were Spectricide. So I can put this one around someplace else. That's the reason. There's a reason I got the big ones, the regular ones, is that I had a bunch of them pop. I found a spot where the termite